Good evening once again. There is a new push in Albany to give legal power to adult victims of sex abuse.
Right now, the window is only open to victims of child sex abuse. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ala Arabi on the story tonight.
Lawmakers say survivors of adult sex abuse deserve their day in court, and that's why the Adult Survivors Act was introduced in the fall. This bill is designed to let victims sue over abuse that happened to them when they were 18 or older. They would have a temporary 1-year window to do that. Attorney Paul Cambria says he thinks this bill could be subject to the challenge that an expanded statute of limitations is unconstitutional.
With the first statute, it was, well, they were underage, so they weren't familiar with the legal process or what have you. They were more vulnerable victims. Now, these are people who are 18 and over. They're adults. They can vote. They can go to war.
Attorney Steve Boyd says if the bill passes, the plaintiff would still have the burden of proof, and it would at least give them their day in court.
If you look at the Harvey Weinstein case, if you look at the Epstein case, there are a lot of women who were coerced, abused, forced into sexual acts in adulthood.
The Child Victims Act gave survivors of childhood sexual abuse a 1-year window to file lawsuits. Boyd says his firm is handling close to 340 child sexual abuse victims cases between Buffalo and Rochester. New York is one of several states to enact rules that either extend or suspend the statute of limitations depending on past claims. Now, this legislation is expected to go under consideration at the start of the next legislative session, which starts January 8th. In Buffalo, Ala Arabi, 7 Eyewitness News.